Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, April 16th. And we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ETFs we follow. And as you can see, the bulls continue to sing. Ain't no stopping us now as the bulls, day after day after day, relentlessly just grind higher and higher as we are making new highs here in the pre-market. In the SPY, ES, triple Qs. Russell's still lagging behind. They're still a bit behind their all-time high, but we'll see if they get their groove on. So let's go over destinations and a game plan for this morning. So right now, with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, I'll still use yesterday's high on both sides now, 416.16. Yesterday's high and all-time high. As of right now, 416.69 pre-market all-time high. For the downside, if we gap higher, 416.16, yesterday's high would be the first downside destination. Remember, we had the price probe yesterday. We closed below it. I said we won't know until the following day and A period is accepted or rejected. That's why it's called probing. The market closes at 4 p.m. in SPY. So we don't know until A period if it's accepted. Right now, it looks like they're trying to accept it. 415.79, K's high, is the top of the price probe. Then we have our overnight low of 415.25, 414.89, the afternoon pullback low in L. We ended 8 wide, right? So I'm not using that, but obviously we'll keep an eye if we get down there. L's low is the pullback. Remember, we had a trend day, double distribution day. 414.51, get filled at 37. 413.69, yesterday's low. 413.29, that's that 9 wide from the 14th, right? That we closed below, opened above, have not seen it. And 410.87, daily low, poor low. Well, game plan for this morning. Well, right now, with 75 minutes to go, right off the bat, the volume very, very light again, only 340,000 shares. If we get a gap of $1 or less, I would look to take a call play. The bigger the gap, the more I'll watch. If the gap is over $1, I will not get involved on the long side. It is an options expiration today. If the gap is less than $1, I will look for call plays. I'd be out if the gap fills. And then I would see what happens if we were to drive down to the price probe. I would look to take another long against the price probe. I'd be out if that gets rejected. Value should be, if we open up here in the next 75 minutes, higher. And if we come in, it should be at best overlapping to higher. So I'd still be looking for those longs unless we totally give up the gap and the price probe. No short play this morning at this point up here. If in the next hour we open inside the price probe and then we can't take out yesterday's high and then the price probe gets rejected, then I would look for a short to go down to that POC and test the afternoon pullback. Those are two early plays here at CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. And then on the charts, and again I'll go over all the charts of all three of these indices tonight. So right now the weekly, we talk about continually getting distance away. Well, that's what we're doing. It's a healthy trend. We have a gap in the monthly, we have a gap in the weekly, and look at the way we continue to get further away from previous highs. That's healthy. Daily, we went balanced 2 days ago, came out of balance yesterday to the upside again, right? Balance, bull, and we continue bull. So again, markets don't go bull bear. Don't fight this market. I'm not saying you have to get long. If you're uncomfortable continuing to buy these grinds, you watch it. No trade is a trade also. But to try to stand in front of a runaway train, whether it's going 20 miles an hour or 100 miles an hour, it will kill you. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.